Much of behavior requires animals to communicate. Communication between animals can be implied as messages or warnings. It can be defined as behavior of one animal that has an effect on the current or future behavior of another animal. Animals can communicate through a variety of modes which include chemicals known as pheromones, sounds and signals, dancing, and touch. Pheromones can be a hormone of communication to the same species, for example, to attract a mate, or they can be a chemical secreted by one animal to cause the reaction of another. They make the communication possible. Pheromones are especially common among social insects, such as ants and bees. It may attract opposite sex, raise an alarm, mark a food trail, or trigger other more complex behavior. So let's take a look on further explanation of an ant.
Ants primarily communicate through the release of chemicals called pheromones. Generally, the glands responsible for these pheromones are located in the head, thorax, gaster, and legs. They're usually released from the mandibles, the gaster, and the cuticle. That's the hard outer layer of an ant's body. Ants detect these pheromones using their antennae, and truth be told, they're pretty good at it.
Sounds and signals. Killer whales communicate through sounds, which is known as echolocation. Echolocation is used sound waves and echoes to determine objects in their environment. Sound is a very important method of communication for whales because sight is less effective underwater. Killer whales produce whistle, echolocation clicks, pulse calls, low frequency pops, and jaw claps.
Dave's underwater camera system has opened a magic window into another world. The social interaction suggests this hotspot could be a whale breeding ground or a type of nursery where adults teach calves how to hunt.
Honeybees communicate through sounds and movement signals, releasing pheromones into the environment, and most importantly is the dance. By dancing, it helps them to obtain accurate information about the location and type of food the foraging bees have been discovered by sharing the information about food sources with a special dance known as waggle dance.
The duration of her waggle indicates the distance to the nectar source. The longer the waggle, the further the flower. And the angle at which she dances across the comb tells them the direction to the flower in relation to the sun. Her instructions are remarkably accurate and can pinpoint the location of a nectar source over 6 kilometers away.
The last mode is touch. It used to comfort, to establish dominance, and to establish bonds. Touch is very important in many primate species, for example monkey. These primates are social animals. They live in large groups. Touch helps the group form bonds and stay peaceful. Primates often groom each other, and female primates often hold and frequently cuddle and comfort their young.